it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's currently a certain day today and my mom picked me up to go for my physio. Say mama. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. So yeah, we're currently on my way. We're turning left. We're currently on my way for my physio and she's gonna be there. Left, mama. We're currently on my way to physio and she's gonna be there supporting me as usual. But yeah, anywho. So we are on our way inside now and my mommy is laughing at me because of how I'm walking. Like, wow, seriously, mommy. But yeah, let's go. Anywho, so I just finished with my physio. It went well. I'm gonna go for another session in like the next 2 weeks, and yeah, fully recovering with the support of my mama. With the support of my mama, you know, fully recovering from my physio. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, back with another video. I just came back from my physio, so now I just want to go get my hair and nails done and then probably go home, like to the villages today, so I don't know. But my physio went well. I just couldn't take you guys because yeah. Hey guys, so I'm currently done cleaning my house. Took a good shower. The girl's looking pretty with the new hair, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm done cleaning the house, packing everything, and then I just did my knee. Yeah, I have my knee brace on. It's getting better, so I actually love that, you know. So now the plan is to usually go take taxis at Marvastadne, but looking at the time now, it's like almost 6 o'clock, so I'll have to go take the taxi with Alex, and then I'm gonna take another taxi when I get that side. I can't need to go see my granny. Hi guys, see you at Mpumalanga. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, so it's currently the next day and I'm just prepping myself, about to do my hair and then just put lipstick and lift my eyelashes, and then we are going out today. I'm going to just quickly do my hair and then I'll let you guys know. We are, hey guys, so we are currently like about to leave and the girl looks cute and I'm about to give you guys outfit tour. My outfit, how cute I look. Huh? I'm gonna give you an outfit tour now. I'll show you guys. Anyway guys, so we are done and we're about to leave. It's currently like 6:30. We're gonna go back home, bath, probably rest, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do after. Yeah guys, I guess this is the best new year ever, I guess.